Hi, my name is Dr. Christina Rahm, and I am the chairman of the International Science Nutrition Society. I'm also the founder and president at Rahm Thomas University. Today, I want to talk about a case study that has to do with chronic fatigue. I want to read to you guys a little bit about a case study that Dr. Tina Brosnick and Dr. Norbert Keshkesh, Dr. Dori Norbo, and I consulted on. First of all, these are the top doctors and scientists in their fields across the world. Dr. Tina Brosnick is the best doctor named by the president in Slovenia. Dr. Norbert Keshkesh is the doctor for many of the Olympic athletes, and he's married himself to a professional athlete that was in the Olympics when she was a little girl. Dr. Dori Norbo is one of the scientists that specializes in stem cell research and studies throughout the world. She leads one of the top universities and clinics in Panama as well. I want to read a little bit about why they wrote this case study and what they found in the case study. Chronic fatigue syndrome is a chronic long-term illness that affects many body systems. It can affect everything in the body as well as the brain and the spinal cord. It has triggering points that cause pain throughout the body, and it can be excruciating to its patients. Day-to-day activity that seems normal for most individuals can be almost impossible to accomplish when you have this disease. This study is about a patient that's a female, and she was put on different proprietary blends that really helped this particular disease. She had mental focus, anxiety, and was high-strung due to this disease and experienced a lot of pain and fatigue. The treatment and method that was used on this patient was started in September of 2020, where she started taking a proprietary blend of silica, vitamin D, vitamin C, and trace minerals. She did 1 drop 4 times a day, or 4 drops 2 times a day in this particular case study. After 2 months, she reported the following. Food sensitivity was gone. She had more energy, she had better focus, and better concentration. She was able to alleviate a lot of her pain throughout her body, and her blood sugar was stabilized due to this proprietary blend. The doctor's thoughts were that she was experiencing environmental toxins in the body, and by alleviating some of these heavy metals and environmental toxins, her condition stabilized and even got better.